Okay, so in this video now we'll learn about flattening a list using list comprehension, and that's a very simple. So I think I have already covered that in a previous video. However, you see here also in the last video which I was finding, this is again a flattening a list. But let's see how we can flatten a list. So we have a matrix with us, right? Yeah. So with this matrix, what I want to do, I want to flatten using, so for example, let me reiterate the row. If I have to do using for loops, so I can do like this. Then I first access the row, which is again a list. So I'll do for item in row print item, and that's how I can get the access of the all the elements. Now you know that how we can convert this into a list comprehension. Just first copy the output, then start copying from here. Okay, so then copy this, that's it, you are done. Okay, so now for here it is just with 3 line of code, it's just printing, but where it is in 1 line of code, I am able to flatten the list. Isn't it amazing, guys? Let's see one more example. Okay, so what we can do, let's see, I have a data of let's say name, age, and gender. Okay, okay, but leave it. Okay, let's see how we can create a table data. Let's see how we can create a tabular data of list. Okay, and then let's say I have John 25 male, and I have, let's say, Jane, let's say 30, female, and let's say one more entry, we have one more entry, and that person is, let's say, Jim, he is, let's say, 32 and is male. So this is the data which we have, right? So now if I want to convert this into for row in data print row, so we are getting the row. Now what I want this to join, I want to join this row in such a way that I will use a pipe symbol here, give a space here and there, and then I will str of x for x in row, and that's how we can create a tabular. So here I'm using the list comprehension within the join function as well, and then I'm creating it. So that's another way how we can use comprehensions and stuff like that, because this will give me a list. So this output of this is a list, right? And I'm again joining this and making it a tabular format. So that's all for this video. See you in another video.